anomalous expansion of water. So when water at 0 degrees Celsius it is heated, what will happen? Its volume decreases and density increases. That means at 0 degrees Celsius, when the water is heated, means when the temperature increases, then what will happen? The volume decreases, hence correspondingly the density of the water increases. Volume decreases and density of the water increases up to the temperature 4 degrees Celsius. Above the 4 degrees Celsius, when the further the heat is applied, so the temperature increases, means above the 4 degrees Celsius, the volume increases, and then what will happen? The density of the water decreases. Dear students, again I will say that from 0 degrees Celsius, when the water is heated, the volume decreases and the density increases. This increase in temperature will maintain only up to when the water temperature is at 4 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is above 4 degrees Celsius, volume increases and hence density decreases. By this we come to the conclusion, water has a maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. So the practical importance of anomalous expansion of water is very simple. That is favorable for effect of aquatic life in the pond. Since the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius, the water at the bottom of the lakes remain at 4 degrees Celsius even if it is freezes at the top surface. So this will be maintained at 4 degrees Celsius even it is freezes. Then what will happen? This allows marine animals, that means fish and some other animals inside the which are living in the habitat is the water means. So this allows the marine animals to remain alive and move freely near the bottom. If the water did not have this property, the lakes, ponds would freeze from the bottom up. That means from here to top side the freezing will take place, which would destroy the entire aquatic animal and plant life. So this is a very important peculiar property of the water is anomalous expansion of water. So whenever the freezing takes place only up the top surface, so then what will happen? The freezing is not happens in the bottom of the lake because the density is maximum at this position. When the cold air fall on this upper surface of the water, the temperature decreases. But in the bottom, these cold air not able to come inside. Hence, the temperature maintained here because of the density is maximum. So the fish and other animals are freely move at the bottom of the lake. If this property is not held by the water, what will happen? The freezing will take place from bottom of the lake to top lake. So this will destroy the entire plant and animal life in the water. So this is a very, very important. Water is a very important for any life in the earth. So the very peculiar property of the water is anomalous expansion of water.